monocular, not binocular. This is a monocular. And what that is, it's just a single monocular tube from the company Ed Optics. I think that's Olimt Ed Optics. How about that? And you can kind of see over it here. It's the Olimt 8x32 monocular. I'll kind of open it up and I'll go over with you. I've actually not even checked this thing out yet, so you guys are seeing it for the first time I'm seeing it. We'll set the box aside. It looks like you get a nice little carrying bag with it, and inside the carrying bag seems to be a little microfiber cloth for cleaning the lenses and all that, and it looks like a lanyard, so kind of like a rubberized top lanyard on there, and that lanyard's going to go right in through there. So let's put that in there now. Let me just kind of go over some of the functions real quick before we take it out and use it outside. You can open up that eye lens right there to give you, that's how you open the lens. You just do that, and then this is the focus right here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to try my best to show you guys in the camera how this looks, and then I'll show you with and without it, so that way we'll kind of see. So let's take it out there, put this thing to the test now. Okay, so if you can look right here, I've got like a little kind of snowman lamp left over from Christmas, and let's try to check this out. So I'm going to use it just on my face first. So looking like this, I'm going to zoom in and try to find a good clear image on it. I just found it. Okay, that's pretty good zoom. Now you can't really see it in the camera, but let's try it the best I can with the lens. I don't even know if this is going to work. If not, you guys are just going to have to take my word for it. You see that? I think you can see it right there. I've got the monocular right up to the lens right now on the camera, and I'm going to zoom in and out. Or you don't zoom in and out. Basically, you just focus. So you kind of do a focus. By the way, this thing is waterproof and fog proof. So you can put this in your pocket and you can go for a swim, or, and you know, just dry it off and you should be good to go. Let's see if we can do it without the lens. Yeah, I almost have to kind of turn that lens like that. And then it seems to work a lot better like that. You guys see that? There it is. Let's find those little things. There they are. Now let me pull it down and see if you can see them. Notice you can't even see them. So everybody, it works. That's all I could do for you. I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants a monocular, whether it's for hiking, camping, maybe hunting, fishing, or something like that, or kind of like looking, bird watching. I think it'd be a great option for that. And make sure you put your protective covers on there and keep it in its case. And I think this thing would last you pretty much a lifetime. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Olimt Monocular. See y'all in the next video.